Right, calculate 50% of 48. So we should know that 50% basically is half, yeah? Because often we say, oh, 50-50 decision, yeah? We mean like half chance, essentially. 50% means a half. So 50% of 48 is the same as half of 48, and if you halve 48, you get 24. You can even check, obviously, using bus stop, okay? When you halve it, 2 goes into 4 twice, exactly, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So 24. 25%, if you think about it, is half of 50%. So we know 50% is a half. So if we want to halve it again, well, half of a half, of course, is a quarter, yeah? So it's like working out a quarter. So we need to remember. So a quarter of 80. Well, when we want to find a quarter of something, as I said, we halve it and halve it again. So half of 80 is 40, and half of 40 is 20. Number 3, calculate 10% of 300. Now, we need to remember when we're working out 10%, okay, 10% simply means divide by 10, okay? That's sort of a rule that we've learnt over many years, okay? 10% means divide by 10. So, all I got to do is divide 300 by 10. And of course, then that becomes 30. You just take the 0 off in that case, yeah? It becomes 10 times smaller. So always remember, 10% just means divide by 10, okay? When you want to find 10% of something, just divide it by 10. Of course, when you get to number 4, it's a bit different, isn't it? Because they want 15% this time. So the approach we take here is to first of all work out what 10% is, okay? Always try and work out 10% first. Because 10%, remember, is easy. 10% means divide by 10. So if you've got 240, what's 240 divided by 10? You just get 24, of course, don't you? You just take away the 0 there. Now we've got 10%. Of course, to get to 15%, we'd need to get another 5%, wouldn't we? Okay? So we need to build our way up to 15%. So another 5% will get us there. But of course, finding 5% is easy when you've got 10%, because 5% is half of 10%, isn't it? So all you've got to do, because 5% is half of 10%, just halve that answer. Half of 24 is 12. So you've got 10%, you've got 5%, and now it's a case of putting them together. They lined up nicely in columns, so when you add them, you get 15%. When you add these, you get 36.